Welcome to Teacher Deb's Reading Corner. I am Teacher Deb, your online reading buddy. Hello kids! Are you ready to learn how to read? Let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn about the short I sound id family. Let's practice. I, d, id, id. Let's say it again. I, d, id, id. I, d, id, id. Your turn. Let's practice. B, id, bid, bid. Let's say it again. B, id, bid, bid. Your turn. Let's practice. D, id, did, did. Let's say it again. D, id, did, did. Your turn. Let's practice. Id, hid, hid. Let's say it again. Id, hid, hid. Your turn. Let's practice. K, id, kid, kid. Let's say it again. K, id, kid, kid. Your turn. Let's practice. L, id, lid, lid. Let's say it again. L, id, lid, lid. Your turn. Let's practice. M, id, mid, mid. Let's say it again. M, id, mid, mid. Your turn. Let's practice. Id, rid, rid. Let's say it again. Id, rid, rid. Your turn. Let's read the words again. Bid, bid, did, did, hid, hid, kid, kid. Lid, lid, mid, mid, rid, rid. Your turn. Well done, kids! Remember, practice makes a big difference. Thank you for watching! Kindly click like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next videos. Keep safe and keep reading one word at a time.